Today is Tuesday, June 9th, 2020, and we are going to get started with Module 6, Lesson 24. If you have the packet, go ahead and open it up to this page. If not, you can pause the video at any time and write down this word problem. We're reading on 2. There are 3 eggs in the carton. The carton can hold 12 eggs. How many more eggs will fit in the carton? Pause and solve on your own. Let's see how you did. So I know from the problem that there are 3 eggs already inside the carton. So one of my parts is going to be 3 and inside the carton. Now, the other part is a blank or a question mark, and that's how many more eggs will fit inside the carton, but we don't know it, so I put a question mark. I know that the total number of eggs that fits inside of my carton is 12 eggs. In a subtraction number sentence, we always start with the total, so I'm going to write the total first. Then the other part, which is 3. Now, everyone grab 12 and count down 3 times. Get ready, go. 12, 11, 10, 9. So that means 9 more eggs will fit in the carton. Let's scroll down to our answer statement, and we'll write 9 more eggs will fit in the carton. Nice job solving. If you have the packet, you are looking at this page. If you don't have the packet, that's okay. Write down 80 cents on your page and let's get started. Today, we are only going to be using dimes and pennies. We're only going to be using, that's right, we're going to use these 2 coins today to figure out how many of each is in these numbers, these cents. But we'll get there. So first, let's remember how many is a dime worth. A penny is, a nickel is, a dime is, and a quarter. So a penny is, and a dime is. Okay, let's get started. Only using dimes, how many dimes do you need to make 80 cents? Pause and draw the number of dimes you need to make 80 cents. How many dimes did you draw? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dimes we need to make 80 cents. How many tens are in the number 80? That's right, 8 tens. Let's go on to the next one. 50 cents. Pause and draw 50 cents using only dimes. Let's see who got it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes. How many tens are also in the number 50? That's right, 5 tens. Let's go on to the next one. This one's getting trickier. Use dimes and pennies to draw 68 cents. You're drawing 68 cents. Pause and draw using dimes and pennies. Let's see if you got it. How many dimes did you draw to show 68 cents? We drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many tens are in 68? That's right, 6 tens. Let's look at our pennies. How many pennies did you use to draw 68? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ones are in 68? That's right, 8 ones. Nice job, scholars. We're going to go on to the next page. This time you're going to pause and draw 82 cents using dimes and pennies. Then you're going to go down and draw 92 cents using dimes and pennies. Pause and solve both 82 and 92 cents. Let's see what you got. For this first one, this one says 82 cents. How many dimes did you draw to show 82 cents? We drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 pennies. I can also use a place value chart to help me organize my information. Here's how you can set up a place value chart on your page too. Draw one straight line going down and then one straight line going across. Then you're going to label it T at the top for tens and O for ones. How many dimes did we draw? We drew 8 dimes. A dime is also worth 10, so that's going to go in my tens column. We drew 1, 2 pennies, and pennies are also worth 1, so we put that in the ones column. Now let's go down here to 92. I'm also going to set up a place value chart for 92. So remember, I draw one straight line down, one straight line across. Then you label it T on the left side for tens and O on the right side for ones. Let's count how many tens or dimes we drew to show 92. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is going to go in the tens column. And 1, 2, ones is going to go in the ones column. Nice job, scholars. The numbers keep getting bigger and bigger. Let's try this next one together. This one says 100 cents. Whoa. How many tens are in 100? Think, think, think. That's right, there are 10 tens. So we're going to draw 10 dimes. Raise your hand if you also drew 12 dimes. Nice job. Sorry, not 12 dimes, 10 dimes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if you notice, I put all of my dimes in 5 groups. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here, then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put my dimes or any of my drawings always in 5 groups, so it's really easy to organize and know how many I really have. So let's fill out this place value chart. We have 100 cents and we have 10 dimes. So I'm going to put 10 dimes here and we don't have any ones. Pause and try doing 110 cents on your own. Let's count how many tens we have now, or how many dimes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why do we have 11 dimes on our page? That's right, because 110 cents is equal to 11 tens and 0 ones. Let's try the next one. This next problem says 120 cents. Let's see how many dimes we need to draw to solve for 120 cents. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Does anyone know why we have 12 dimes to show 120 cents? That's right, because 12 dimes is the same thing as 12 tens, and 12 tens, 0 ones is also equal to 120. Nice job, scholars. Let's try this next problem together. This problem says 4 dimes plus 8 pennies equals blank cents. Here's how we solve a problem like this. First, we're going to draw our dimes. It says 4 dimes. So I'll draw 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice how I draw my dimes neatly side by side, and they're all touching a little bit, but they don't need to be touching, but they're all in one line. Next, it says plus 8 pennies. So now I'm going to start a new row because we have a new coin to show 8 pennies. So I'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, we're doing them in 5 groups, so I'm going to stop there. 5, 6, 7, 8. And to draw pennies, remember that I draw 1 inside of each coin to show that it is a penny. Just like that. Now we can count our total. Let's start with the dimes, then we'll count on the pennies. So we're going to count by tens and ones just like we do when we draw quick tens and ones. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 40, oh, sorry. Let me redo that. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. We have a total of 48 cents. Wow, let's try the next one. This next one says 4 dimes plus 10 pennies. Help me draw the dimes. It says 4 dimes. Let's do this one together. So as I'm drawing, you're drawing too. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes. And remember, inside of each dime, we write the number 10 to show that it's a dime. Now we have 10 pennies. So help me draw those pennies. Remember, we're going to start a new row because we have a new coin. So we'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now let's label each one with a 1 to show that it is a penny. So I'm drawing 1s inside of each coin. Now let's count the total number of coins we have together. You're going to do all the counting this time, okay? My voice will not be on, yours is. Get ready, go. You should have counted 50 cents. Nice job. Let's try this next one all by ourselves. It says 4 dimes plus 12 pennies. Pause and solve on your own. Let's see if we got the same answer. So I drew 4 dimes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 12 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You should have also drawn a really similar picture to mine. Now let's count. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52. So you should also have gotten 52 cents. Nice job. We are going to move on to the bottom of this page, and it says 15 pennies plus 6 dimes. Pause and solve on your own. Let's see how you did. So remember that you should have drawn 15 pennies. I drew mine over here, and 6 dimes right here. If you count all of them up, you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 plus 15 ones, which I know is 75 cents. I know this because I can add this group of tens and make it 7 tens and 5 ones. Let's go on to the next page. For this page, we are going to be practicing solving addition problems using dimes and pennies. Let's look at this first one together. The first one says 52 plus 24. You're going to use dimes and pennies to solve this problem. So I'm going to draw 52. So first I need to draw 5 tens to show 50. And then I'm going to draw 2 ones down here. Let me label these. So these are all tens right here. Remember that I'm putting my coins in 5 groups so that I can stay organized. So I have 5 dimes right there to show 50 and 2 pennies right here to show the 2 cents. Now we need to draw 24. So there are 2 tens and 24. So I'll draw 2 dimes. And how many ones? There are 4 ones. So I'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, and then go ahead and label them as pennies. Now we can add all these together. I'm going to start by counting my tens. So I'll count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Nice job. So our total is 76. Let's look at this next one. The next one says 59 plus 30. How many tens am I going to draw to show 59? Or how many dimes am I going to draw to show 59? I'm going to draw 5 dimes. Let's do it together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes, and go ahead and label them as dimes. How many ones am I going to draw to show 59? That's right, I need to draw 9 ones. So I'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember that for this one, my pencil is moving and so is yours. I'm labeling all of my pennies with the number 1, so I know that they are ones or pennies. Now, how many tens or how many dimes am I going to draw to show 30? I need 3 dimes. Nice job. Let's draw them. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's label them as dimes using the number 10. Now let's count our total. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 9 ones. 80 plus 9 ones is equal to 89. Nice job, scholars. This last one, you are going to solve on your own. It says 54 plus 31. Pause and solve on your own, then we'll check our work. Let's see how you did on this one. For 54, we should have drawn 5 tens or 5 dimes and 4 pennies. And for 31, we should draw 3 dimes and 1 penny. Now let's find the total. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So your answer is 85. Next, you're going to solve 47 plus 22 on your own. Let's see how you did. For 47, you draw 4 dimes and 7 pennies. For 22, we should have 2 dimes and 2 pennies. Let's count the total. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Can we make a new 10? No, we cannot. So we have 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Nice job with all your hard work on these, scholars. These were very challenging questions. Let's go down to the next page. This is your independent practice. Make sure that you are completing all of it on a separate piece of paper or in the packet. You got this, and don't forget to log on to Zearn today for 30 minutes. Have an awesome rest of your Tuesday. Bye.